color wheel, and I'm sorry, this is like filming upside down, but I have a cup of water. I have my 3 primary colors. I did my blue, red, and yellow. I squeezed out some extra yellow because I was afraid I was going to run out. Okay, add some water to your brush. Go ahead and paint in your yellow. Wash first. I'm using wash, and then I just paint yellow on the top. Swatch of yellow. Rinse out my brush really good. You're going to need a paper towel, maybe to dry it off. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my red. And then leave some space. So red, some brush. And I'm going to do my blue. Right there. Okay. Now I have my 3 primary colors, and now I want to make my secondary color. You want to give it space in between. You're going to make room. So here I'm doing blue, yellow, and blue. So I would mix it on here first. Okay, so I can take the 2 primary colors to make my secondary green. So you don't need a lot. Mix it here. Once you get your green, leave space, and paint that in between. Actually, I could have used a little bit, but it looks kind of not green enough. Okay, that's a little bit better. Mix out my brush, really good. And now you're going to make your tertiary colors or intermediate colors. I'm going to take the green I already have, mix a little bit more yellow into it, and then I'm going to get more of a yellow green. A little bit more green. Actually, I painted on the wrong side. Whoops. If you make a mistake, that's okay. That's why we just paint right over it. And then I'm going to use a little more of the green, so I get a yellow green. Now, this is going to be a blue-green, so I'm just going to add a little more blue. So this is basically where you have more blue and green. Paint that in. So there's my blue-green. Okay. I'm going to go over here and do the other parts right here. Rinse it out. So I'm going to go ahead. Now I'm going to do my red and my yellow, which should make an orange. I'm just mixing it right here on the wax paper. Alright, so I'm going to put that in between. Got my oranges, a nice orange. Rinse out my brush again. Alright, now you want some orange that's more yellow, so just go back to your mixing. Just, there we go. I think that it's a yellow orange. I'm going to maybe even add in more yellow to that still. So I'm going to go back and add a little bit more yellow right on top. It's going to just go right on top with just some yellow. Okay, next color, I should have a red orange. That means more red, orange mixed together. Makes my red orange. Okay, now we're going to do, should I purple or violet? So I'm going to take my 2 primaries, blend them together. This is always a tough one. Kind of needs a mix of, yeah, there's my purple and violet. Okay, so leave space in between, because now I'm going to do a blue violet. I'm going to stop my brush, add more blue this time to the violet I've already made. Actually, I need more red. It's kind of lost it there. There you go. Alright. Blue violet, and then right here I'm making red violet. Mix my red and my blue together. Add more red this time. There we go. Alright, so here's your color wheel. Already got all my colors in there. Now in the center, what I want you to do is try to mix brown. Okay, brown is a neutral color, so you're going to take your 3 primary colors, and you need to get, it's just one of those things, you got to play around with it. I always just do, the red and the blue are very strong colors. You don't need as much, so just a little bit of each one. And you're just trying to make it look like a brown. See, now it's starting to turn into a brown. Maybe I could add a little bit. If I want to darken that brown up, I just add a little bit more blue. mix the three primary colors together, you get brown. And so you just put that in the center. Alright, so that's how you make a color wheel with three primary colors.